Conversion problems. Concrete is sold in cubic yards. When measurements are given in feet or inches, they need to be converted to cubic yards. For example, determine concrete costs for a patio that measures 12 by 14 feet and is 4 inches deep. The concrete costs $72 per cubic yard. The cost for delivery of the concrete is $150. In order to do this problem, I need to figure out the volume of concrete that I need for my patio. I know that my patio is 12 feet by 18 feet and it is 4 inches deep. So the very first thing that I need to do is find out the volume of concrete that I'm going to need to build this patio. Since it's a rectangular prism, I know that the volume is given by length times width times height. The length of the patio is 18 feet, the width of the patio is 12 feet, and the height of the patio is 4 inches. Now I have a problem again because I have 18 feet times 12 feet times 4 inches. I need to convert this all to the same unit of measurement, so I'm going to convert to feet. I'll have 18 feet times 12 feet times 1/3 of a foot. I can make my problem a little bit simpler if I use what I know about fractions to do some cancellation. I know 3 goes into 12 4 times. So all I have to do is multiply 18 times 4 times 1, and I get 72. Now this tells me how many cubic feet of concrete I'm going to need. I need 72 cubic feet of concrete in order to build this patio. Now I've got my answer as 72 cubic feet, but I remember that concrete is sold by the cubic yard, so I need to convert this to cubic yards. I know I'm going to recall that a cubic yard is 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet, and 1 cubic yard is equal to 27 cubic feet. Since I have 72 cubic feet, to convert it to yards, I'm going to take 72 divided by 27. When I do this on my calculator, I'm going to take 72 divided by 27, and I'll get 2.67 cubic yards. 72 cubic feet is equal to 2.67 cubic yards. Now when I'm finding the cost of this concrete, I know that the concrete sells for $72 per cubic yard. So the amount of money that I'm going to spend will be $72 per cubic yard times the number of cubic yards I need, which is 2.67 cubic yards. I'm going to come to my calculator and multiply $72 times 2.67 cubic yards, and I find that the cost of the concrete is going to be $192.24. I know that the total amount of money I spend, however, has to include the delivery charge. The delivery charge is going to be $150. I'm going to spend $192.24 for the concrete, and the total amount of money will be the amount that I spent for the concrete, $192.24, plus the delivery charge of $150. When I add those two amounts together, I'm going to get a total charge of $342.24 for the concrete. That's my grand total that the concrete will cost me.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.